Hello, clutter is not a monster. We're here in the season of Halloween, and I think sometimes we need to remember that clutter can't destroy us. We can conquer clutter. Clutter will not conquer us. So clutter is not strong. It is not a monster. It's not anything scary. Clutter is simply stuff. And it's stuff that they make every day. And if you get rid of something and later on, 3 years from now, when you think you might need it, you do need it, they make those things and that stuff every day. You can find it used, you can find it new, you can find a better version of it. Clutter does not belong in your house. Get it out. If you had roaches in your house, wouldn't you get them out? Why? Because roaches are gross. Clutter is gross. Because roaches are nasty. Clutter is nasty. Because roaches are embarrassing. Clutter is embarrassing. Get it out of your house. Remember that clutter is not a monster, that you're in control, and you have a great day.